Welcome to today's video. Today is day 6, episode 6, and we are going to be drawing Pac-Man in 60 seconds. Alright, well, let's get going. Why did I move? Why did I move? Let's just go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You aren't gonna let me get away with that. You're not gonna let me get away with this. I can't do that for Pac-Man. I mean, in theory, that is Pac-Man, but let's go ahead and draw the real Pac-Man, shall we? Alright. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Well, there we have it. Peace, love, and hot sauce, and thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video tomorrow.